All right, well, as you can see, it is going to be a snow video, and all I had at the house was the Denali and the Civic, and I don't really want to beat up the Denali, and I don't really think the Civic's going to do that well because we're supposed to get a significant amount of snow. So I'm en route to the shop to pick up the blue Yukon and start the video. I think it's straight piped, actually. Mud Junkie 99 in the big girl. Swinging her hips. Let's get in this one. I trust him. Oh, he's giving up on it. I didn't know he was just going to start tearing up the earth. Yeah. I'm getting behind the pole.
Sounds great.
It does sound freaking sick. I wonder if he knows that's a hill. Yeah.
Sounds good.
It's a little terrifying out here knowing that you're out there being sketchy. I was just ducking behind the pole if you were coming at me.
Oh, baby, the big Yukon / Tahoe. There he goes. Oh, beautiful.
I'm done with this.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys aren't new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. We've got my boy over here, Eric from Eric's Everything Auto. Definitely check him out. We're trying to get him to 1,000 subscribers. Can this be the video? I personally will follow back the 1,000th subscriber.
It's all thanks to you, because just that shout out gave me almost 150
Yeah.
subscribers.
So the 1,000th subscriber, I promise you, I will follow back. You will have to send it to me who it is, but I will subscribe to you if you follow him. But as you guys do know, I did break the front diff in the Yukon here, and we actually have to fix it today. So I actually put it away. See, I've been cleaning things up, so I actually have it in the office here. So we're gonna have to dig it out of the office here. If you didn't see yesterday's video or the last video, definitely check it out. We went ahead and did the rear lift in the Denali here. This thing looks absolutely killer, and I don't know why, but driving it lately, I sort of feel like an athlete. Like, to me, I feel like this should be like in Florida, or this is like an athlete's truck, like a Floridian baseball player. That's how I feel when I drive
Florida
this thing.
Marlins?
Yeah, well, no, not like that, like minor league. I feel like a minor league baseball player driving around in the Yukon here, but I absolutely love this build. Huge shout out, as always, to Rough Country. As you do know, Rough Country is on this. But without further ado, we're gonna lower the diff and start getting the diff knocked out in this. Alrighty, well, I drug the diff over here. Eric is underneath here. Again, if you guys don't know the Rough Country lift kit here, and I'm gonna show you guys my leak here. I actually have the part over here that we might fix today, maybe, if we have enough time. But if you don't know the Rough Country lift kit, there's an ear here on the top that gets cut off, and then another one gets bolted here, and then on the side over here you trim down these fins here. So basically super simple. I'm going to go ahead and start doing the modifications that we need to do to the diff here while he drops the diff, and this should honestly take, between the two of us, it should take us about an hour to do. So super easy swap, super easy. I mean, it sucks that I break them. This is actually the second one that I broke now, but I think I found the solution to that as well. But until I remedy the problem, I don't want to tell you guys what it is because I'm not 100% sure. It's a guessing game. So I'm going to tell you that I have an issue resolved, I think, and it's my fault. And once I get all that swapped over and the parts changed, I'll make a separate video on what my issue is.
It's your fault.
My fault. It is my fault, 100%, I think. But we're going to fix it again, and I'll make it right, and then I'll make the video. All right, plug and chug. All right, while Eric's under there just laying around, I don't think he's done anything since I've been up here trying to do all the hard work. But so I went ahead and I'm gonna start trimming here. As you can tell, I kind of just cut across this way, then cut in, notch it, cut across, notch in. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the top mount off because obviously we know we don't need it. Well, at least I know. And then again, the other one bolts here, 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 and it moves the bracket where it needs to be for the Rough Country lift kit. So without further ado, I'm gonna keep plugging and chugging. Right there is actually the mount that you see he took off right there. So I guess he didn't, you know, I guess he wasn't just doing nothing. He was doing something. Unreal. Eric's Everything Auto, go follow him. Get back in there. Ba-bum. Ba-bum. I've got to admit, guys, this truck is super, super photogenic. When you see it in person, it's not the color that you see on the internet. It's super weird. I mean, it is still Tiffany blue, but on the internet or in the camera, it looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm not saying it doesn't look good in person. I'm just saying it's
just highlights
yeah,
it that much better.
it definitely does. Like, this thing is just absolutely
You can see it.
amazing. But there you have it. We did go ahead and throw the discriminate. Hey, you guys. I did go ahead and get the diff thrown in, obviously with the help of Eric here. Huge shout out to him. And again, guys, get him to 1,000 subscribers. And even if he is at 1,000 right now, go to 1,100.
I'll be happy with 1,000 to start.
Plug and chug. We want to get him to start making money so he can enjoy doing YouTube again as well. But there you guys have it. So I do think I have an issue, and I do know the issue, I believe. I'm going to try to resolve it this weekend. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. If you stayed till the end, put Rough Country in the comment section down below because they have backing absolutely everything that I do, and I love them for it. This build is absolutely sick. I don't know if you've seen it by now, and I'm still not going to show it to you in this video. Well, you've already seen it a couple times, but I love this thing. This thing is absolutely epic. Vertex coilovers are the way to go. I drove it actually the other day, and it drives. You don't even realize that it is what it is. It doesn't even feel nearly as tall as this one, and it's not, but I love this thing.
We put the Vertex 2s on the Duramax.
Duramax.
2500.
Yeah.
Just rode so nice.
Definitely. This thing, I'll show it real quick because you guys already seen the video, but this thing does drive so much better with the Vertex shocks. Night and day difference between driving this, which does drive good. I've got to admit, this thing does drive good for what it is, for being on the V2 monotube shocks. This thing does drive really good compared to like that rides like crap. I'm just going to be honest. The limo does ride a little rough, but that's also a leaf sprung truck all the way around.
Because my seat wasn't bolted in, I couldn't tell how bumpy the ride was. I was flying all over the place anyway.
Definitely. I don't know why I don't bolt that passenger seat in. Probably because I just enjoy watching everybody bounce around. I got you now, and I got Bobby RF Racing. My buddy, who else was in the front and was complaining about that?
Oh, your brother-in-law.
Yeah, my brother-in-law. Sterling was in the front seat, and he's like, man, I just don't feel safe in this thing. And for you guys, it might not be as funny on the other end, but for me...
I did not realize how bad it was until I went back and watched the video, and you could see me going like this, and everybody else is sitting still.
Definitely. And again, I know this is probably not half as funny for you guys as it is for me, but to watch everybody's head bobbling around in the Jeep, struggling, and I know when they get home, like their abs hurt, their neck hurts.
And I was trying to film. I had 2 cameras going.
Oh, it's terrible. I'm a jerk. I'm going to fix a seat in the new build, so stay tuned for that. We are going to get this thing tossed back together, so if we do get a lot of snow, we can come up here and play around too. But it's going to wrap up the video. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow my boy Eric, Eric's Everything Auto, and I will see you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Peace up. Wolf. He's such a good boy.
He is. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Put that in the video.
Why can't you?
That's terrible.
It's not terrible.
Just hit it with your purse. I'll get it out of the office later. He's scared to get dirty. That's what this is.
You are right. I don't like getting dirty.
Yeah. Look how clean that Yukon is. I wish I could show them the one behind me. Or maybe that video already got aired. I don't know, but
Yeah, well, you'll know. I guess you don't know.
yeah, I don't know.
When you're gonna put
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put it up tonight or tomorrow or next week or. I got a lot of videos I need to get. There it is. There it is. They separated.
Don't make it fun of me.
All right, guys. So my GoPro actually died over here, which is fine. So as you can tell, that axle is split pretty bad. We did quite a number on that. The other thing was the case again. It broke. Let me see if I can get a light. I think I can get a light on this situation.
There, you can see the brake.
Yeah, you can see the brake.
Flip it over.
Oh, now I'm oily and greasy.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
Bam. But it is what it is. These diffs are actually kind of cheap. I hate to say that, but for usually like 150 bucks, you can get them back in and get it up and running. So just 2 hours of work, hour of work. Oh, dang it. I showed that other thing. That's all right. I'll just air this later. We don't need this footage today. We'll put the Jeep video first, so you guys will actually see the Jeep on its ground. Let me get a better focus. Oh, iPhone, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me?
Wait until you.
I promise you.
You can't wait all that time to release a video.
I can do whatever I want. It's my video.
Oh my God.
If it takes a month, it takes a month. Anyway, I think I'll probably air the Jeep video first and then this, because this probably didn't get aired yet. I wish I knew how to like blur all that.
You can make a phone call, find out.
Nah, we'll just wait. Jeep video coming soon. Well, you already seen the Jeep video. Then you've seen the Denali. No, the Denali. And then you've seen this. Either way, this is your fault that I have to make 10 different videos.
It's not my fault. You just don't have any self-control.
It's the subscribers' fault for not getting you to 1,000.
Hurry up!
All right, back to work.